Hello students, good afternoon. Welcome back to another session of English. And in this session, we are going to learn how to use do forms. How to use do forms. For instance, I will give some examples or explanation in this particular box. So please observe carefully. So we are going to see how to use do forms. Do forms meaning is here not only itself the do form, it also comprises do, does and did. Do, does and did act like helping verbs, and sometimes they also act like main verbs in a sentence. In a sentence, when you have a do, does, did, it means they are maybe helping verbs or also they are like main verbs. Now, just have an example. Do and does part of present simple tense. Do and does part of present simple tense. Did is part of past simple tense. Okay, now when you have a negative sentence or a positive sentence, when you make a question for the present simple tense, these two helping verbs or these two main verbs we can make use of. How it is? Now say for instance, she washes. Okay, she washes clothes. She washes clothes. Now, if I need to frame negative sentence, I need to take the help of do or does. Since my subject is here third person, I take does to frame negative sentence. So how I will be? She does not wash clothes. This is for the negative statement. If I have a positive sentence where I need to make question, then I will have to take does she wash clothes? Positive question. Now if I have negative question, does she not wash clothes? So what you can understand here, when we have a positive statement, there is no use of do and does. But when we have the negative sentence, we have the usage of does. Now here it is acting like helping verb. Now this does is helping to wash. To frame negative sentence. To frame negative sentence. Similarly, when we have a positive question, does is helping like a question word. Does is helping like a question word. Does. Then at the same time, here it is acting or helping to the subject, helping to the verb. Okay. Then here we have does she not. Okay. Now the next sentence what I have. She does work. She does work. Now here does is a main verb and work is an object. Work is an object. She does work. So work is an object here. Okay. So here does is main verb. So when we have present simple tense for the singular subject, he, she, it, the third person, singular, we can use does. And the same sentence, if we have in English, like, if I have a sentence like, not here, wash, I have a sentence like washed. Then straight away I will not be using does here. I will be using she did not, because my sentence converted to past form. Then helping verb not does, helping verb will be did. Did she wash clothes? Then again not here does, my helping verb will be did. Did she not wash clothes? Okay, now if I change subject, assume that. If I change subject here, now subject is here you. You wash clothes, she washed clothes, they washed clothes, I washed clothes. Okay, if I have you washed clothes, not wash, only wash, you wash clothes, then I have plural subject. Now the subject is plural. So when I have the plural subject, then here also I can take the plural subject. You, okay. Now here I can use do not. You do not wash. Okay. So again here did, no. Here do, not she. Here I will be using do you. Do you. At the same time here I will be using again do, and here change the subject you. Do you not wash? Okay, so what the idea you got from this? What idea you got from this is do and does used in the present tense. Do and does used in the present tense. Okay, but do is used for plural subject. Does is used for singular subject. And as you can see here, did is completely past, and did is used for all the subjects. Did is used for all the subjects. I hope you understood this. In the present simple tense, does for singular, do for plural. In the past simple tense, did is used for all the subjects. Okay? Now, the same thing we have to use, the same thing we have to understand here what will be the correct structure of the sentence, so that we can understand here. But remember, when we have do, does and did, whatever is the tense form, you have to use V1. You have to use here V1. Let us see the first example. The students thank the teacher. The student thank the teacher. Now thank is in past tense. Now how will you make the question? Did the students thank? Did the students thank the teacher? This is the correct sentence. Many forgot to bring books. Mary forgot to bring books. Mary forgot. V2 form we have here. So here we will be taking one more V2 form. What is that? Did Mary. But next verb form should be V1. Mary forget. Mary forget to bring books. As you can see here, forget. Now he teaches English, present simple form. He teaches English. Okay. Now here I will be using present simple tense, and we have he as a singular form. So does he teach English? Does he teach English? Next one. A stranger saved him. A stranger saved him. Saved past form. Then did. Stranger saved him is the correct sentence. And then we have the mother prayed the God. The mother prayed the God. Now here we have again past tense. Okay? So how we are going to change? Did the mother pray the God? Did the mother pray the God? Because we have prayed is a past form. So did we have to use. Now you see, whether we have past form, thank past form, forgot past form. So where we have past form, use did form. The lion woke up. So how we are going to convert? Did the lion wake up? Did the lion wake up is the correct sentence. Because woke up is a past form. Next one. He gave me a piece of advice. He gave me a piece of advice. Now he gave me, again it is a past form. Then did he give me a piece of advice? Did and give. Okay, I hope you understood it. Okay, let's have some more examples. They found the thief. Did they find the thief? No change. Let us see one more example. Lucia wanted to become a singer. Lucia wanted to become a singer. Now wanted to. Did Lucia want to become a singer? No change. Many children play cricket. Many children play cricket. It means what now? Do many children play cricket? Because many children play cricket is in the present simple tense. Next one. She had peace and joy. Then did she? Did she have peace and joy? Rahul dances well. Rahul dances well. Now dances well. Does Rahul dance well? And the last one we have my father. Now here did do many children play? Did Lucia want? Did find? Okay. Does Rahul dance? My father builds home. Then did my father builds home. Does my father built home? Now does and then build here. Okay, my dear students, I hope you understood this. This is one of the easiest segment of your Q board where you will have to understand that when you have a do form used with the plural subject and does form singular subject, both are used in the present simple tense. Present simple tense without helping verbs. Did past simple tense used with all the subjects. Okay? And second thing, do, does and did also act like helping verbs and at the same time the main verbs. When you have the sentences like this, for 1 mark given to you in the board exam, just try to use them beginning of the sentence as asking question. So how to ask question? Based on their present form and then past form. If it's present tense, do or does. If past tense, did. Do and does will be decided by the subject and did is used commonly with all the subjects. Okay? So in this way, if made possible, you may get it for 1 mark. When I come to the next class, again we will see one more grammar topic. Till then, take care. Thank you.